But last night I uploaded a video, and I know that someone said that they couldn't hear anything, and to explain that video, off in the distance I was hearing a low, like, it wasn't really a growl, it was more of a hum, but it was almost a howl. Like, it was between a hum and a howl, and it was way lower than my voice could even go. It was lower than my husband's voice. It was extremely low, and it wasn't mechanical, because every now and then you can hear the paper mill way off in the distance. And you can tell that it's the paper mill because it's very, very mechanical. I mean, you can hear the blades cutting into the wood. And it gets that kind of metallic-y whirring, like a chainsaw sound, way off in the distance. And it wasn't that. It was more of like a human type, like something humming. But it was when I was whistling. Now, I don't know if this is a coincidence or not, but are you seeing what I'm seeing? The way those are positioned like that. I mean, I'm just looking as I'm going, and I haven't been back here ever. This is the first time I've ever been back here. So, I'm not going to get too close to that. I'm not going to touch anything like that because I don't want to make anything angry, because I mean, I am back here by myself. But, and again, like I always say in all my videos, if you're seeing something that I'm not, because most of the time when I've got the camera turned one way, I've got my head turned the other, so I can watch, and then I can go back and I can review what I wasn't looking at later. But I'm not going to get too close to that X over there, but I am seeing something up here that's got my interest piqued. Yeah. The way the shadow was hitting on it from far away, it looked like something was wrapped around it, like some kind of cloth. But that was just from my eyesight from far away. But I'm gonna start heading back that way. And again, if y'all see anything, please let me know in the comments, because like I said, I've got my head on a swivel, and most of the time when I'm looking one way, my camera's pointed another. And sometimes I just don't see something when I'm filming. And, I think that was a dog. I heard like a whoo. I heard it again. I don't know if you can pick that up. This thing's terrible on audio. But I heard like a real low whoo. And I'll have to review it and see if you could hear it in the audio. I highly doubt it. This thing sucks when it comes to recording. But earlier, my dog Biscuit, I was standing on the other side of the creek towards my house, and she started barking and raising all kinds of heck, and she was barking, she was growling, her hair was raised all the way up to like the nape of her neck. It was raised.